wide enough to see it. This man, just like you and me, is a child of God.
You are right. God's presence is there in every act of kindness. Bye, it's almost time for me. May I come in, sir?
Anna, we need to do something. There's been a lot of pressure. We need to improve our numbers.
I understand. I have been trying my best.
You may leave.
Thank you.
Hey Anna, I heard about the meeting. Don't worry, you have done great. Remember, God's with you even in the toughest of times.
You know, I was so frustrated after the meeting. But now I feel different. I could feel how God was guiding me to be patient and persistent. And thank you for your words of support. That means a lot.